guys, welcome back to Tenloy's Learning Corner. Today we will be learning how to read three-letter words. Come join us on this wonderful, fun reading adventure. Don't forget to subscribe. The first word we will be learning about is cat. Can you make the cat sound? Meow, meow. Now let's pronounce the word cat. A t cat. Dog. What sound does the dog makes? Roof 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 roof. Now let's pronounce the word dog. D o g. Dog. Now let's make the sound of each letter in the word hat. A t hat. Cup. K a p cup. Bus. B a s bus. Car. K a r. Car. Now let's look at the word bed. This bed looks so comfortable. I feel like sleeping. The word bed. B e d. Bed. Sun. S a n. Sun. Ooh, it's nice and sunny today. The sun is out. Sun. Look, what do you see? I see a green toy dinosaur. Roar, roar. Now let's make the sound of the letters in the word toy. Are you ready? Let's go. T o y. Toy. Great job. Egg. E g g. Egg. Oink 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 oink. Oh, look at the pig. Let's pronounce the letters in the word pig. P I g pig. Oh, wow, look! I see a black and white cow. Do you know what sound a cow makes? Moo. Moo. Yay! The cow goes moo. Now let's make the sound of each letter in the word cow. Ready? Let's go. K, w, cow. Now let's look at the word ant. Let's make the sound of each letter in the word ant. Ready? Let's do this. A, mm, t, ant. Bzz, bzz. Do you hear that? What is making that sound? Yes, bees. I hear bees buzzing. Now let's make the sound of each letter in the word bee. B, E, E, bee. Box. This box is open. Now let's call the sound of each letter in the word box. Ready? Go! B, s, box. Next we have the word leg. Let's make the sound of each letter in the word leg. Ready? Let's go. L, E, G. Leg. Great job. Look, I see an arm. Let's call the sound of each letter in the word arm. Ah, mm, arm. Good job. Look at that pretty ladybug. Let's call the sound of each letter in the word bug. B, g, bug. Yay, great job. Let's keep going. Wow, I see strawberry jam. What color is the strawberry jam? It is red. Yes, great guessing. Now let's call the sound of each letter in the word jam. Ready? Let's go. J, ah, mm, jam. Yes, you did it again. Great job. Now let's look at the word lip. Let's call the sound of each letter in the word lip. L, I, lip. Great job. You've done a fantastic job today learning your three-letter words. Great job reading.